it's time to roll up our sleeves and take a proactive approach to safeguarding our well-being by learning how to assess our workstations. Think of your workstation assessment as a health checkup for your workspace. By identifying the potential ergonomic problems, you can take steps to correct them before they lead to discomfort or injury. The goal is to create a workspace that supports your body, promotes good posture, and minimizes strain. Why assess your workstation? Here are some compelling reasons to conduct a workstation assessment. Identify the risk factors. By systematically evaluating your workspace, you can pinpoint specific risk factors that may be contributing to discomfort or increasing your risk of injury. Prevent injuries. Early detection of ergonomic problems allows you to make adjustments and prevent issues from escalating into more serious injuries. Enhance comfort and productivity. A well-designed workspace promotes comfort, reduces fatigue, and allows you to focus on your work, ultimately boosting your productivity. Step-by-step assessment. Now let's explore the step-by-step process of assessing your workstation. Observe your posture. Start by taking a moment to observe your posture as you work. Are you sitting or standing with good alignment? Are your shoulders relaxed? Is your head held upright? Note any areas of tension or discomfort. Check your chair. Is your chair adjustable? Does it provide adequate support for your lower back? Are your feet flat on the floor or supported by a footrest? Is your seat height adjusted so your elbows are at a 90-degree angle when typing? Evaluate your desk. Is your desk the right height for you? Can you comfortably reach your keyboard and mouse without extending your arms or hunching your shoulders? Is there sufficient clearance for your legs and knees under the desk? Assess your monitor. Is your monitor positioned directly in front of you, about an arm's length away? Is the top of the screen at or slightly below eye level? Can you easily read the text on the screen without straining your eyes? Examine your keyboard and mouse. Are your keyboard and mouse positioned close enough so you can reach them comfortably without extending your arms? Is your wrist in a neutral position when using the keyboard and the mouse? Consider lighting and glare. Is the lighting in your workspace adequate? Is there any glare on your computer screen? Glare can cause eye strain and headaches, so it's important to minimize it. Think about the noise. Is the noise level in your workspace distracting or bothersome? Excessive noise can actually affect your concentration and increase your stress levels. Temperature and humidity. Are you comfortable with the temperature and humidity in your workspace? Extreme temperatures can affect your comfort and productivity. Tips for a successful assessment. Take your time. Don't rush through the assessment. Carefully observe your posture and take note of any areas of discomfort. Be honest. You have to be honest with yourself about any pain or discomfort you're experiencing. Don't ignore these signs as they could be early indicators of ergonomic problems. Make adjustments. If you identify any issues, make adjustments to your workstation or work habits. Even small changes can make a huge difference. Seek help. If you're unsure about how to assess your workstation or make adjustments, don't hesitate to seek help from a qualified ergonomist or healthcare professional. A comfortable and well-designed workspace is an investment in your health and productivity. By taking the time to assess your workstation and make necessary adjustments, you are taking an important step towards a healthier and happier work life.